Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to add some Binance coins to your wallet. But first, we'll need to add the Binance Smart Chain Network to our Metamask wallet. So let's go ahead and click on our Metamask wallet and then click on the list of networks we have. Then we're gonna click on Custom RPC and we'll get this screen. For the network name, we're gonna enter in Binance Smart Chain. And then for the rest of these details, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the details that I already have on my notepad. So we have this RPC URL, we're gonna copy this, and all these details will be available in your description on the video. So for the chain ID, it's gonna be 56. For the symbol, it's gonna be BNB. And finally, the block explorer is gonna be BSC scan. So let's go ahead and copy and paste that and click save. Once we click save, it's gonna be in the list of our networks, and that's the network we're currently on. I already have some BNB, but I'm going to be adding more. So let's go ahead and visit our wallets on Binance. If you do not already have an account, I will have a link in the description for that also, and you will get a 10% kickback from commissions. Now over here I already have a few Binance coins, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to withdraw these. Now once you get to this screen, you'll need to put in your address as well as which network to choose. Obviously we're gonna be on the Binance Smart Chain network, so we're gonna go ahead and choose the Binance Smart Chain network. And there we go. Let's go back to our wallet and then copy our address. You can copy it and then paste it down here, and then just withdraw the max amount in our case and click withdraw. We need to confirm it and then continue. You will have some other details to fill out, such as verification codes and whatnot. After filling out these details, you'll be able to submit your withdrawal. After confirming all the necessary security codes and submitting your withdrawal, you will have to wait for 15 confirmations in order for your transaction to fully process. Once those confirmations are done, your coins will be in your wallet. And this is what it looks like once the transactions have been confirmed. It will say that it has been completed, and then if you go ahead and click on your MetaMask wallet and then check your balance, you will see that your balance has been updated to reflect the newly added tokens. And that is all.